Boys and girls, today this is lesson 11, language. We're going to talk about nouns, but we're going to talk about some different types of nouns called abstract nouns. Everybody say abstract. So we've already learned that nouns are words that name people, places, or things. Common nouns are general and are not capitalized. For example, girl is a common noun. It could be any girl. Proper nouns are specific and are capitalized. For example, Mrs. Goshert. That is specific. It's my name and it would have a capital letter. Abstract nouns, as we see here, are types of nouns that a person cannot physically see, hear, smell, taste, or touch. They name emotions, our feelings, states and attributes, ideas and concepts, and movements and events. So what is the difference between concrete and abstract nouns? So far, we've been talking about concrete nouns, things that we can see or touch or feel. But today we're going to talk about abstract nouns. Concrete nouns are names of people, places, or things that can be detected with our five senses. So all the things that we've been talking about, we can hold them in our hands, or we can see them, or we can smell them, or taste them. Those are concrete nouns. Abstract nouns are ideas or emotions and feelings or states of mind, which we talked about a little bit, that cannot be detected with a person's five senses. For example, bravery. You can't touch that or see that, but it's a state of being. Courage is another one. That's a noun. That's an abstract noun, but we can't touch it or see it or feel it or hear it. It's an idea. Things like love, hate, anger, peace, honesty, and truth are all abstract nouns. We can't see them, we can't hear them, we cannot smell them or taste them, and we can't touch them. So, abstract nouns can be made from adjectives and verbs. So from believe, which is an action, a verb, we have belief. You have a belief in something. That's a noun. Being truthful means you're telling the truth. That's an idea, though. We can't touch truth. We can't see truth, okay? It's an idea. To educate, that's what I tried to do with you. Educate, it's a verb, comes education. You get an education from being educated. Let's see if we can find some abstract nouns. Rick's belief in himself gives him courage to sing in front of large audiences. There are two abstract nouns in that sentence. Belief is the first one. Can you find the second one? Courage. Belief and courage, they're both things, but we can't necessarily touch them or see them. The truth about bubblegum is it's chewy and makes bubbles. Can you pick out the abstract noun? Truth is the abstract noun. Her thought about how to start the project was good. Can you pick it out? Thought. It's something in her brain. It's still a noun, but we can't touch it or feel it or see it. It's a thought. Your education is an important part of being successful. It's education. Good job. My brother was in big trouble after lying to my parents. The abstract noun is trouble. It is a thing, but it's not something that we can touch or see or hear. Boys and girls, the next video that you're going to watch is going to be Activity Book 11.3. And we're going to do this together. You're gonna do a couple on your own, but most of them we're going to do together. So the next thing you're going to do is watch the video for Activity Book 11.3.